Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Alyssa Carson. Best of 2019. Meet Alyssa Carson, the 18-year-old training to become the first human on Mars. At just 3 years old, Alyssa Carson knew she wanted to be an astronaut, and since then, she's worked tirelessly. Carson could soon become the first human to set foot on Mars, even if it means never returning back to Earth.
Let's help you make your mark.
SpaceX's first crewed Mars mission could launch as early as 2024, Elon Musk says. SpaceX's first crewed mission to Mars could be just 4 years away. Company founder and CEO Elon Musk said on Tuesday, DEC.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.